O come, Emmanuel.
Hey friends, this is O Come Emmanuel in the key of E minor. It's a beautiful carol. I hope you love it. I've tried to simplify it down to the basic chords because sometimes carols have a chord per word and it just gets to be too much when you're kind of starting out learning how to chord. So I've kind of cut it out to the basics for you so you can have some fun. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I will have the chord sheet that you can print out and it'll make a lot more sense as we go along. All right, so let's go through the chords that are in this song. We have G, C, D, E minor, and A minor. It looks like that's it, okay? So let's look for a C chord. So you look for this group of 2 black notes and line up your 5 fingers and play every other note. C, E, G, C chord. Okay, move up 1 set of notes and then play this black note in the middle. So we have D, F sharp, A. Okay, and it kind of makes this triangle shape, if that helps kind of see that as a shape. Okay, then we have E minor, move up 1 set of notes and you're in the E minor position. E, G, B. Okay, all right, let's come down here and find a G chord. G, B, D, and it's kind of just tucked in between these group of 3 black notes right there. Okay, G chord, and move up 1 set of notes and you're in the A minor position. A, C, E. All right. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to play just single notes down here. So I'm going to put thumb on C, and then this is just what feels comfortable for me, so you can find a different position. I just like to find a place that this doesn't have to move for the whole song, move out of position. Okay, so when we play a C, we're going to play a C single note down here. That D, I'm just going to open my thumb. And the E minor, I like to open my thumb again. If you have challenges in your left hand, you might want to find a different position. Maybe you want to just put everything on A and line up your 5 fingers so you don't have to stretch as much if that is a challenge for you. But this is just how I always kind of for some reason put pinky on G. It's kind of my reference point. So anyway, C, D, E minor, and then we have G to G in the bass, A minor to A in the bass. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot a B minor. I see there's a B minor in the chorus. Like I said, I have cut out a ton of chords, but I've left a few left. So it still sounds beautiful. All right, B minor in the right hand is B, D, F sharp. Okay, it's kind of this curved line, white, white, black. Okay, and then you play B in the bass, just a B single note. Okay. All right, so let's talk about the way the 2 hands are going to come together. This song is written in 4/4 time signature, so it kind of has just a really nice steady marching rhythm. And I'm going to do a rhythm called together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, that looks like this on the C position. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. For the most part, that can kind of carry you through the basics of a song when you're just getting up and getting going with a chorus or a carol or whatever. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can hear how it sounds, because verse 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the exact same. Okay, so that takes care of 4/5 of your song, if you want to look at it like that.
O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile here until the Son of God appear.
Okay, while I've stripped out a lot of the basics, there still is a little bit of, creativity in this song. So I guess I always try to notice patterns in music to see if that can help simplify if there's any repetition going on. So in this verse 1, 2, 3, 4, lines 1 and 4 are the same. G, C, D, G, G, C, D, G. And that's how I've stripped the chords down. This is not the like original chords because like I said, they normally have a chord seriously for like every syllable or word. And it's a lot if you're not really an advanced player. So let's just slow down the verse 1 so that we can really just get a grasp on how that's going to be, because that's a bulk of our song. Okay, so we start out with G chord, and you could just remove left hand altogether too if playing with both hands is too hard for you right away. Okay, so we're going to play that G chord. Oh, come, ye. Okay, C chord. Emmanuel. Okay, so I already cheated with that together, right, rhythm kind of rule that I set up. Sometimes there's not enough time to get together, right, the whole song through. So sometimes there's a need for block chording. So it goes Emmanuel. Okay, see how that just went C, D, G, and then can continue that pattern. And ransom captive Israel. Okay, that was kind of an exception to that rule too. Let's play that second line. And ransom captive Israel. Okay, line 3, A minor. That mourns in lonely E minor. Okay, I just swung open that left hand thumb. Exile, D chord. Here, G chord. Until the Son of C, God appear. Okay, like I said, lines 1 and 4 are the same, so we kind of went through this. Until the Son of black chord, God appear. Okay, all right, let's go into that chorus. Re, D chord, triangle right here, open your thumb. Joyce, re. Here's that B minor. So we're coming off of this D, where our middle finger is already playing that F sharp, that black note. Then you could just go bum, bum. Okay, so we're here with the D, and then bum, bum, and you're in the B minor position. Sorry, and then I would be down here with my third finger. Anyway, okay, so rejoice starts with that D. Rejoice, re, B minor, joyce, E, C chord, Emmanuel. Okay, there I just did that stair step pattern, so it just goes C, D, E minor, shall, G, come to thee, O, A minor, Israel. Back to that E minor. Okay, let's go through that chorus again. D chord. Rejoice, re, B minor, joyce, E. Here's that stair step up. Emmanuel, shall, G, come to thee, O, A minor, Israel. Okay. All right, you can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can join along with me. Just keep going if you mess up. You can do it. I believe in you. Grab that chord sheet in the description. Let's do it. Oh, come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Verse 2. O come, thou day spring, come and cheer our spirits by thine advent here.
disperse the gloomy clouds of night, and death's dark shadows put to fight. Rejoice, 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 Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Verse 3. O come, thou wisdom from on high, and order all things far and nigh. To us the path of knowledge show, and cause us in her ways to go. Verse 4. O come, desire nations bind, all peoples in one heart and mind. Bid envy, strife, and quarrel cease. Fill the whole world with heaven's peace. Chorus. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice.